What if I tell you to invest a lakh of rupee each year for 20 years, post which I will pay you 1.5 lakh rupees each year for another 20 years, and at the end of the 20th year, I will pay you another 40 lakh rupees lump sum. Does this sound interesting to you? If yes, please understand this is exactly how you are fooled into investing into something that you should not. Watch till the end. This is how most insurance products are sold to you, where they very smartly do not mention the return that you will make. If you do a plain simple mathematical calculation of X IRR here, you will understand that you've actually made only 5.09% return on this investment that I spoke to you of. In fact, if you remove the GST, because you have to pay GST while you are making the premium payments, you will actually end up making only 4.9% return on this entire investments that you've made. So do not get carried away by numbers. You will have to understand the return that the product makes for you before you actually make an investment decision. Which is why I always keep saying that use insurance only for risk management and never invest in an insurance product. Next time somebody comes and tells you to invest in insurance, you know what to do. Thank you so much.